हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम आस्था और आप देख रहे हैं हेल्थ वास। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज ऑन शीर्षासन और हेडस्टैंड, और वी कैन से द किंग ऑफ ऑल आसना. So let's talk about some of the benefits of Shirshasana, as it has the uncountable benefits, but still I'll name some of them for you. So first, it helps to improve the blood circulation in the whole body, and it also helps to improve our eyesight and strengthen our shoulder, arms and core muscles. It also helps to slow down your aging process. These were some of the benefits of Shirshasana. Now let's talk about some the cautions who should not perform this asana. During the menstruation or the high BP problem, or when you are suffering from severe headache or the neck injury, I would also recommend you, the person who is suffering from any disease, should consult a doctor or any expert before practicing the Shirshasana. Now we'll be talking about some of the variation of Shirshasana, and once you learn the Shirshasana, you can flaunt it any way you want. And in the end of the video, I'll be showing 15 variation of Shirshasana. You can try this and share your reviews in the comment section. So let's start today's video. Let's go.
Now let's start with our step 1, dolphin position. Come into the plank position and now try to touch on the floor and then chin out of your elbow. Now again try to touch your head on the floor and chin out of your hand. Keep doing, don't stop. You can do dolphin as warm-up exercise for arms and shoulder, but you need to practice some cardio like Surya Namaskar, jumping jack or high knees before practicing the Shirshasana. Keep doing. Again, try to touch your Now you can switch to step 2, where you have to walk in. Let's start with the step 2, walk in. Place your full arms on the mat and come on your elbow. Now interlock your fingers and place your center part of the head in between of the fingers. Now try to walk in with both the feet and walk out. Again, in and out. Back should be straight and your knees should not be folded. Keep your breathing normal. Again, in and out. This will help you to be stable in the Shirshasana. Now you can slowly come back. Now we'll practice step 3, leg stretch. Again in plank position, place your center part of the head in between of your fingers. Now try to leg stretch and again come down. Again leg your stretch up and down. This will enhance your stability in the posture of Shirshasana. Again up and down. Again up and down. Slowly come back. So let's switch to our next step, pump up. Again in the same position, try to pump your one leg up, and you can do from both the side. And slowly come back. Step 5, where we need a wall to practice. Now again same in the plank position. Try to pump up on the wall and again come back. Take a push and go up and again come down. It's time for step 6. Pump the both legs up without the wall. Now you have to push both the legs up without the support of the wall. You can easily do this because you have completed 5 steps successfully. Keep doing. Again, pump up and come back. You can go as maximum as you can. Relax. Step 7, wall supported hold. Now what you have to do is get the enough strength in your Shirshasana, which you can only get by holding this pose. Minimum time to hold this posture is 30 seconds for beginners and 30-minute maximum which you can hold or push your limits. Only 30 minutes. Keep pushing yourself. So if you are done with the holding, you can come back to the center of the mat and go up again. You can take a little support by arching your back, or you can try some of the variation in Shirshasana by splitting both the legs. And now try to balance in this posture. Don't shiver. Make your body stable. Maybe you will fall, but don't worry. Get up and start again. You can do this. So now get ready for the final Shirshasana. Again, center of the mat. Try to raise your both the legs up in the posture of Shirshasana. You can go slowly and slowly. So you are ready with your Shirshasana. You can try to move your legs in a cycle position. Try to be stable. Don't shiver. Try to balance your body as maximum as you can. Keep doing, keep flaunting your Shirshasana. So we are done with today's practice. Hope this 7 step will help you to learn the Shirshasana. Now you can try this some variation of Shirshasana, which you can try for clicking amazing pictures.
So if you are done with your practice, perform the child pose for at least 1 to 2 minutes. It will be very helpful for you, as if you will not be performing the child pose, then it can cause the headache by the next day. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up and do share with your friend, and do subscribe my channel if you are watching for the very first time. Till then, take care, stay healthy, bye bye.